What's going on YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2015 Nissan Rogue. Now this is the cabin filter. That's the part number right there, and it has the air indication on it. So basically you come on over to the passenger side underneath the glove box. So underneath you see this cover right here. Now some of them from factory have a screw in here to just keep this cover in there. If they don't have a screw, you'll see this is just a blank hole and you won't see a screw there. So I just like to get my finger right in here and pull out, and the cover comes right out. And that's how that cover comes off. There's this little clip right here that clips into place, and this one at the top that clips into place. Now it shows like 2 screw holes, but I've only seen a screw only in this one, and I've done multiples of these things. So that's the cover. Now once you get the cover out, you can see the cabin filter right here. I just like to get my finger underneath it, and then right here, pinch and pull. And then after I get a chunk out, I pull it out like that. Now, you want to make sure you watch how this thing comes out so you can put the new one in how this one comes out. So it comes out this way with the airflow pointing towards you, so away from the front of the vehicle, and it slides in like that. So I take the new one, airflow facing that way, and I like to get this top part in first in the slot and then push it in through the bottom. So that's the slot right there. I like to get the corner top piece in and then go up and get my finger back here and get the bottom in, and go back to the front and just push it in just like that. Get the top in. There we go. And that's how it should look. Cabin filter should be sitting in the slot just like that. And you take this, the skinny piece towards the bottom, and you get that right up there into place and push, and you hear it clip. And it's just that easy. And then if you had a screw, you can either reinstall the screw if this is loose, or just leave the screw out. You don't necessarily need the screw, especially if this is tight. So they install the screw from factory if this is loose. But if it's not loose, there's really no need for a screw. And that's it. And that's how you do a cabin filter removal and install on a 2015 Nissan Rogue. Now, I believe they are the same from 2013 all the way up till now. The 2019 should be the same. If you liked the video and I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thank you for viewing my video.